everyone. Hello, how are you all today? I am blessed, and I hope everyone is blessed this wonderful day that the Lord has made. And let's all us rejoice in it and be happy. Okay? So now, this is Miss Lena again, saying welcome, welcome, all of my wonderful people, all of my beautiful family. I love you all so much. So today, I'm getting started. I'm going to show you all how to do, I'm going to do air fryer baked potatoes. I have 2 baked potatoes. They're about the same. I've already washed them and brushed them down real good. I've already got them dry and everything. So now I'm going to be putting, some of you all use olive oil, but I use avocado oil. So I'm going to be pouring avocado oil on the potatoes, okay? And I'm going to rub them down real good with the oil. Okay? After I get them rubbed down with the oil, then I'm going to be putting my salt and pepper on them. So now I'm going to be salt and pepper them. I'm putting my salt on it. Okay. Now, I'm going to put the pepper on. Just going to get my pepper open. Well, no, let me try again. Okay. Alright, I'm going to be putting pepper on them also. Have it all rubbed in. And I'm going to put them in the air fryer for about 35-40 minutes. And then I'll be back to show you. And I'm going to bake them. I'm putting them on partial paper. I don't have the air fryer paper right now, but the partial paper is the same. So now I'm getting ready to put them in the in the air fryer. And I'll be back shortly after about the 40 to 45 minutes. I'll have to check them one time. Thank you. Okay, everyone. These are air fried baked potatoes. The air fryer baked potatoes, okay. Now I'm mixing about 4 potatoes. This is a little butter. I try to have this room temperature so I can mix this all up together. Cream cheese, I have about 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. I'm just going to squeeze a little bit in here. It's probably about a tablespoonful. You have to put as much as you'd like to put in there. And then I'll put them back in the air fryer for the cheese to melt on top. I'm going to mash them together. You can also take your electric mixer and put them together and mix it back out in there. Hold on. This one here. A little piece of the potato skin in there.
Give here, I do it. Give him the bowl.
A little bit more sour cream in. You hear? Yeah, I'm putting a little bit of garlic powder and a little onion powder. You'll season according to as much as you would like, so it's up to you for your own seasoning.
That's onion powder, y'all.
All right, onion powder and garlic powder is what I was doing. Maybe just a little bit more.
So she put a teaspoon and a half of heavy cream. I mean a tablespoon and a half of heavy cream.
All right, I'm mixing. Is it right?
Yeah.
Is that right?
White pepper.
Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. You put as much as you would like. I'm not putting a whole lot, just a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to begin to put them back into my shell. I don't think I threw this other one apart. I didn't. Okay, now I have them where I got them cut all the way down. Got a potato peeling in it. Sometimes if you don't cut it all the way down at the beginning, potato peelings will show up in there on the side. So I'm going to try to pull that out. Inside the oven than it is inside the air fryer. Let's see which one needs more. You can, and then you put, once you put your cheese around on the outside, I'm going to put them back into the air fryer and melt the cheese on top. But I'm going to try to fix it where the peelings won't be so stringy on the side also. I'm getting ready, and I'm going to put them back in the bottom of the air fryer. I'm going to try to get all 4 pieces in here, y'all. This is it's not that large, but I'm going to try to get out in here. You know, Don't look like I'm fit to get it in here. But I'm going to try. You know. It might not come out like I want to, but anyway. I'm going to be putting the cheese on top.
Back, y'all.
All right, you guys. Here's my final presentation of my air fryer baked potatoes. So I've got everything together, and you will find the description will be in the description box.
The recipe.
Oh, the recipe in the box. Okay.
Description
I'm sorry. So just look forward for it. These are very good potatoes, and I hope you will enjoy them. This is something that you can have for your dinner. You can also add your meat to them if you'd like. So thank you so much, and hope you will enjoy the air fried baked potatoes. Thank you for Miss Nina's Kitchen with all my love, and I know that you will love them. Thank you. Goodbye now, and see you in the next video or live. Bye-bye now.
Welcome to Miss Nina's Kitchen. Come on in now. You know it's all